Welcome back. Let's dive right into making this custom t-shirt. And if you want to follow along, just pause the video and click the link in the description below to download the free SVG file used in this video. Also, make sure you have Silhouette Studio Designer Edition or higher to be able to import SVG files. If you don't have these versions, then you'll need to upgrade. Now that I have my SVG file open, the next few things I'll be doing is modify my design so I can send it to my cutting machine. The first thing you're going to see me do is mirror my image. This is required when cutting on HTV vinyl. The second thing you're going to see me do is group my colors. Do this to save on HTV vinyl. As you can see, this is a multicolored design. I'm using 4 different colors. So if you want a list of all the colors that I've used in this video, I left a list in the description below. I'll be starting with the gold layer first. So for the other layers, I'll move them off the mat. So for my cut settings, I'm using pre-saved settings that I already have saved. If you're using your own vinyl, just go by the instructions that came with it. But if you're interested in the vinyl that I'm using in this video, I left a few links in the description below. And now for the other layers, you'll see me repeating the same steps, adding each layer to the cutting mat and cutting each individual layer. We all know that weeding vinyl can be very frustrating. Check out some of my other videos where I show a few tips and tricks on how to weed vinyl fast. The best way to line up your design is to use a t-shirt alignment tool and a large flat surface, like you see me doing here. To keep my vinyl in place, I like to use heat transfer tape. This will make sure that my vinyl stays in place while moving it to the heat press. Be careful when using the heat transfer tape. If you apply it to the vinyl without using a protective cover, it will peel your vinyl up once you apply heat. If this video has been helpful to you, hit that like button and leave a comment below. And now that I have my first layer, I'm gonna go ahead and add all my other layers. And now that we have all the layers down, one more final press to remove any irregular lines and to seal the vinyl. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified of any new videos. Also, check out my channel for other videos to help you with your t-shirt game.